All right, y'all. I'm back in the 845 in Newburgh trying Korean corn dogs. I had no idea they had this here. Let's try this out. Yo, I love Korean corn dogs. One of my favorite things to eat. Let's get straight into this. First, we're going to be trying their lumpias. Yo, these are like fried to perfection. You hear the crisp? You know I got to try with the sauce. My God, this is starting all right. We'll be trying a classic Korean corn dog. Now, I don't normally put sugar when I get Korean corn dogs. I got half mozzarella, half hot dog. Sugar definitely gonna be added from now on. Next, we're trying one that I've actually never seen before, a cornflake Korean corn dog. I'm expecting it to be super crispy. Yo, this one tastes the sweetness to another level. Man, I love Korean corn dogs. And put some of the spicy mayo on there. Last but not least, we got the flaming hot potato corn dog. First bite. Potato is definitely, hands down, my favorite. If you guys are in the 845 and Newburgh, come and check this place out, Joyce Asian Food Market. It's a market, but if you go to the side, it got a back room where you can order food at. And these Korean corn dogs are amazing. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Later.